Hey, this is Doug with Off Leash Canine Myrtle Beach. This is Reggie. He's a 2-year-old Weimaraner. A little backstory on Reggie is the previous owner, I guess, left him to his own demise for about a year outside, just chained up. So all he knew was like a 20-foot radius on a wire or chain or rope. So he's very skittish, very unsure of himself, very scared. It took him a while just to get him on the leash. The owners say you have a little bit of concrete, sit and calm and different things like that. So we'll check it out. Reggie, you sit? Almost there. Sit. Good boy, you could sit. Got a place? Come up here. Place. 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 No. Reggie. Come. Come. Good boy. Good come. You sit. Sit. Good boy. He's not doing too bad. This is the first I've had him out. For the first hour I brought him home, I just had him inside the house to get him acclimated. I didn't want to put him in a crate and separate him because he's starting to shut down even in the truck getting him home. So I didn't want to put that ahead of him. He's here for a 1-week board and train, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Doug with Off Leash Myrtle Beach. I just returned Reggie. He's a 2-year-old Weimaraner. He was at a 1-week board and train, so he's back at home with mom and dad. So how did you hear about Off Leash? Like, how did you come about to, find out where we were?
We had a friend that had, the dog had been through the canine off leash training.
Gotcha.
And she just said it was the greatest thing that, since sliced bread, as far as she was concerned.
Great.
So I got online, I did some research, and I contacted the lady with the franchise up in Wilmington, North Carolina, that handles this area.
So are you happy with the results? I know it's only been a week, but I mean, from point A to point B, where he's at now?
Unbelievable. We are so pleased with where he is right now.
Great.
And now we can get some sleep at night.
That's always good. And if you had anybody else that's interested in dog training, would you recommend Off Leash?
Yes, and they can call us for a recommendation.
Awesome. That's all right.
As a recommendation.
Well, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for letting me work with him. He's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.